Hey everybody, thanks for joining today on another episode of Geared Up. Behind me is the Revival on Platte project, and we're about to sync up with a gentleman named Juan Sanchez, who's the general carpenter foreman on the job, and he's responsible for flying panels from the ground up to the floor that they're working on, and he's using this unique tool called the Vita Load Navigator that helps us manage those panels better and safer than before. I don't know much about it. As always, the best thing we can do is get on site and check it out.
We're on a mission to find tools and equipment that have game-changing potential for making the work safer and better for all the people on our projects. This is Geared Up.
Juan, thank you for joining today.
Thank you.
What is this giant spaceship-looking contraption behind me here? What is this thing called?
Real name is the Vita Navigator.
Yep.
It has the two turbines at the ends, which is what it controls all the movements, position, location, helping us to set all these exterior panels, interior panels, floor panels.
Can you walk me through kind of the parts and pieces and how this works?
Every morning we just making sure we have all the pins.
Yep.
Making sure everything is in a good working condition.
What's this black box on the end here? What is that about?
That's basically what it controls the movement of the panel, which is a high power fan.
Okay,
it's
gotcha.
Turbine. One of the things that we need to make sure is that this is power.
Okay, so just like your scissor lift, you're plugging it in at night.
Yeah, every night.
This antenna system I see here, that's your communication with your remote?
Yeah, that's the communication between the Vita Navigator and our joystick.
Gotcha.
So from here we give directions to this equipment, and then that's how we manage both,
to control it. You can manage to control this, and you can talk to your crane operator and just keep them informed of anything that you see on the ground.
Yeah, that's what we basically do every day. We have a constantly communication with the crane operator, and then with the Vita Navigator.
So using the turbines on the end, you can hit memory and it'll fly itself into the right position, into the right location. And the gist is you don't need tag lines, is that right?
Yeah, that's right, and this equipment, there's no need for tag lines. This equipment does all the work.
Okay.
This equipment fights the wind. Basically, it keeps our load safe and right at where we need it and the right location.
That's incredible. So basically you set the thing down on the panels, you teach it, this is the position we want to be. The crane picks it up and it's staying at that position all the way through its flight, and you land it right in that same position then. So would you say this makes the panel installation operation, is this the right tool for the job? Would you use this on future panel operations?
Oh yes, yeah. I think with this equipment, this solves all the problems.
And I'm sure there are still days when it's too windy, but on typical days, when the crane can operate, this is going to help you out.
Exactly. We're never going to exceed our limitations with the crane. And the windy days. This equipment help us go through all this work and then not having problems.
Well, man, I tell you, this obviously seems like a safer, more efficient tool for us. I appreciate you taking the time today to walk me through it. Thank you. Thanks to Juan Sanchez for showing us this Vita Load Navigator tool. I didn't know much about it. I know a lot about it now. Obviously a cool tool to help us do the work better than ever before. And thanks to you folks for watching at home. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, if you could leave us a comment or two, we read every single one. We're always looking for new stuff, and we'll see you on the next episode of Geared Up.